how to fix RCS chat features not working on Android. Are your RCS chat features not working on Android? Here's the fast fix. So RCS may fail after updates or network changes. You'll see messages stuck on setting up or disconnected. So the first thing you can do is to check your RCS connection. Open Google Messages and then open Settings, and then from there go ahead and select Chat Features. Make sure the status says connected, toggle off and back on if needed. And then after that, what you can do is to clear cache and data. So go to settings and then look for the apps tab and then select the apps tab. And then on the apps tab, go ahead and look for Google Messages or storage or messages. And then from there, go ahead and click on clear cache and data. Do the same for carrier services. Now, if RCS still won't reconnect, reset your network settings. This refreshes Wi-Fi data and Bluetooth. Uninstall and reinstall Google Messages from the Play Store. Set it up as your default SMS app. Finally, confirm your carrier supports RCS in your region. Some outages or restrictions may block features. Most RCS issues are fixed by cleaning cache, resetting networks, or reinstalling messages. With the steps, you'll be back to smooth chat. And that's how to fix RCS chat features.